Reacting.
Jai Hind.
Ada. Ada.
80তম
Ada.
ভারত হাকতর ইয়ক সমাজ হালমারি ani jotto khazani takukte mukukrongno khakaham te hamzam yafaro happy 88th Independence Day.
Reacting. Keteno.
Wilano respected dignitaries,
Tamne anda.
distinguished guests, my fellow citizens, respected elders, mothers and sisters, and my dear young friends. Dini singjot shivo Bharat hakotorni yok samasal osal joto amchayo joto state joto institution no palizako omni ongo hisabe no dini sini khumulung headquarter TTADC and station by o Independence Day ni salno sing pali leitong
Lama kali dong satu.
omono sing o pandani bisingte joto freedom fighters tokno khulumung yaparo je singno yok samas halno runa bagai choba khlaine joto national heroes no khulumung yaparo omoni logi joto sini ancestral heroes, our visionary kings and the brave sons and daughters of this soil je choba khaine sini dignity rights and lands of indigenous Tiprasa people through generation romui je sini bagi lorai khlai tongnai choba khlai tongnai romu bo o salo ang jotono kulumung yafaro dini norok joto sibo norni buskango ang total CM hisabe tini omono puila Independence Day celebrate khaitani angoro chief guest ngi manjak phayo omono tini Independence Day ni bisingte okogno sanamusungo je responsibility ang manmani o responsibility no ang kubui ke klainai omono sumai ani norokni hamkraini bagai sumai tangnai ang joto buma bufa munai anse okra chakra sikla sikli ani sakjalai tai joto kamini tongnai lukurokno hamjamung yafaro sini identity no sini fan sini rich culture tai vibrant tradition sini language no sini Tiprasani foundation omobaino sini tinang senam jagnai. As we step into a fast changing world, I promise you this: we will progress, but never at the cost of our roots. We will build better opportunities for our youths, but we will do so while protecting our land, preserving our heritage, and honoring the legacy left behind our forefathers, such as the visionary Maharaja Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya Bahadur. Our children must learn the advanced modern technology with one hand while holding onto their rich cultural pride with the other. We must be honest with one another. The TTADC functions well-known constraints, be it financial, administrative, and constitutional limitations. Yet, I refuse to let limits become excuses. Within the scope of our current capacity, your council has already set to work in various critical sectors like education, entrepreneurship, and women empowerment. However, keeping things running is not enough. we need transformation. In the coming days, our administration will introduce sweeping institutional reforms. We will bring transparency and accountability to every department. We will streamline governance, eliminate corruption, strengthen our village councils, and ensure that every rupee allotted for the development reaches the intended beneficiary without leakages. Development cannot sprout in the soil of division. Peace is the absolute prerequisite for progress. Tripura's strength has always been its rich tapestry of diverse tribes and communities living side by side. I make a passionate appeal to every citizen today. We must safeguard our unity and brotherhood at all costs. Let no political or divisive force tear apart the harmony among our people. When a road is built, it serves everyone. When a hospital is upgraded, it saves everyone's life without asking for the tribe or community. Our struggle for dignity and development is a collective one, and we will win it only when we stand united shoulder to shoulder. My dear brothers and sisters, what is the true essence of independence? Independence is not merely a date on the calendar. It is not just speeches delivered from high stages once a year. True freedom is achieved when a mother in the most remote villages has access to clean drinking water and medical care. A farmer gets a fair price for his hard work without exploitation. A young boy or girl from a poor family gets a fair shot at a bright career. Every citizen lives with dignity, safety, and self-respect on their own land. Until the essence of freedom reaches every single home, every family, and every citizen of our district area, our journey remains incomplete. My administration ultimate mandate is to bring this gap to our respected elders. Guide us with your wisdom. To our mothers and sisters, strengthen us with your resilience. And to my young friends, our next generation, the future architects of our land, gives us your energy, your ideas, and your dedication. Do not just wait for change. Join us in building it. Let us resolve today to work tirelessly with pure intentions to build a self-reliant, prosperous, and cultural vibrant TTX. Mamana tinini o indigenous deni ani speech paithak phasing phaisok pakya. Mamana taibisha je tini o independence deni salo jesini khumbu school ndi joto school ni students je participate khaine rang pipeline hambaite hamjung ya faro nongni future ni bagai angnong no khaka ham ya faro nongni future bright tu ta haikeno siniti prasam saini joto lukurang no bang tini no salo khaka ham te hamjung ya faro thanchama tongnai sin thanchana sini pan thanchana ti prasani pan thanchani bisingki ni sini man te shokte sin buskang salomanai. Long live the spirit of independence. Long live our cultural legacy. Long live Thancha. Long live the Prasadopa. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Mumbai.